Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today we're doing a cute hairstyle and the hair I'm using is from JJ Hair. They sent 3 packs of their Afro Kinky bulk hair in length 14, and these are the other things that came alongside the hair. We have this booklet here that contains details of their hair and also other products that they have. Okay, they have dreadlocks, kinky, other type of product that they have. And also guys, the link to the hair will be in my description box for you guys. Okay, so click on the link and go order yours now. So the hairstyle we're doing today, it's a mini twist hairstyle, and she started off with parting the hair at the back, and then she's going to just apply gel on it and start braiding. Okay, now the braid pattern that she used is, or the method that she used for this twist was she braid a bit and then start twisting. Okay, like she did not do the knotless method. Okay, she did the traditional method of braiding and then started twisting. That is what she did for the whole of the hair. Okay, now I'm going to let you guys watch this video, and while you're watching, do not forget guys that this hair take time. Like I was not even informed. Okay, we started by 12 and then we finished by 8 or after 8 thereabout. You guys, I was really tired from sitting, and we just took 1 or 2 breaks to go and eat, and then but you guys, it is time consuming. Like, in fact, if you want to do this hairstyle, get 2 or 3 stylists to braid your hair for you. That way you don't have to sit for long. And you guys see this bag that she's parting like this that looks big at the front was way tinier. Just keep on watching guys, you'll see what the front looks like. And while you're watching or after watching this video, please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Let's know in the comment section if you've tried this hairstyle before, and also if you're doing this hairstyle, I would highly recommend this product. Okay, this human hair I'm using, you guys, go get it. It is the best for this mini twist hairstyle. Okay, you guys are going to love it so much. It is very easy to work with, super easy to separate, little or no shedding at all, guys. Okay, like it is that good. You guys are going to love it. Okay, like I said before, the link to the product will be in my description box for you guys. I noticed that with this mini twist hairstyle that is all over the place, trending, okay, is if you use a good hair, like a good human hair, like what I have in this video, you are definitely going to love it. Okay, it just gives you class, like it gives you this rich auntie vibe, or this, this madam kind of look, like it is a expensive. It gives you that expensive look, okay, compared to your regular kinky. See, you guys, go and grab this hair. Okay, it is the perfect hair for a mini twist hairstyle. Just go and get yours.
When the night is done, I just overthink every little thing, everything you said. I just bang my head, wondered what you meant. We're a loaded gun, put it at the heart, but it's always you who can light the spark. Don't want a second guess, show me what we are. You could tear my heart apart, I'd still be in your arms. I wanna dance with you till the end of the night. I wanna dance with you for the rest of my life. Don't you know you'll always be my boy? I wanna dance with you till I'm losing my breath. I wanna be the one you can never forget. Don't you know you'll always be my boy? Always be my boy.
After braiding, this is what we have. The hair is really full and we use all three pack. It is lightweight, guys, okay? And this is how tiny it is. Look at that. Okay, the hair is really tiny. Now we're gonna use foaming wash to define the coils of the hair, the ends there, just define the coils there. And after doing that, we went ahead to trim, just trim to make it look all neat and well put together. So this is what the hair looks like. The ends are nicely coiled, and this is how it is. Okay. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how gorgeous the hair is. You guys, I love this mini twist so much. It is worth the time and everything. Okay, look at how gorgeous your girl is looking. Yeah, look at that. Now, this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned 18 or 2 from it. Thank you all so much for watching. And do not forget, guys, the details to this here will be in my description box for you guys. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining through.